Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem TechBD.
Why is my GPU fan spinning at full speed and doesn't stop until I turn off my PC? There could be several reasons why your GPU fan is spinning at full speed and refusing to stop until you power off your PC. One possible reason could be an issue with the thermal management system of your GPU. Your GPU fan is designed to spin at varying speeds depending on the temperature of your graphics card. If your GPU is running too hot, the fan speeds up to help cool it down. However, if the thermal management system is faulty, the fan may not be receiving accurate temperature readings, causing it to spin at full speed all the time. Another possible reason could be a malfunctioning fan controller. The fan controller is responsible for regulating the speed of your GPU fan. If it's not working correctly, it could cause your fan to spin at full speed all the time. Additionally, a recent driver update or software change could also be the cause of your GPU fan issue. These changes could have altered your fan settings, causing it to spin at full speed all the time.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.